Hey, what's up everyone, I'm BP and today I'm going to solve a Rubik Cube. Okay, going on pretty decent. Actually I'm not a pro, but just a beginner. Okay, going on pretty decent. Okay. I guess it is. And folks, I'm just telling you, I'm just a beginner in this cube. I also don't know how to solve it very fastly, and it's just my normal speed. But folks, I've solved it, and I have solved it. And I always tell everyone that please keep in your heart that you can solve anything. And this is also the cube which I, like 2 months ago, didn't know how to solve, but now I can solve it easily. So I'll show you some of the tricks. So as you have seen my cube skills, now it's time for you to solve it. And now I say goodbye for now. Bye bye folks, and rock on.